In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app with ChatGPT from idea to working version. We're going to take a simple, practical approach that helps you move from a rough concept to something you can actually run, test, and improve. The goal here is not just to generate code, but to use ChatGPT as a development partner while you stay in control of the process. Start by opening ChatGPT and clearly describing the app you want to create. Be as specific as you can about what the app should do, who it's for, and the main problem it solves. The better your description is, the more useful the response will be. If you already know the platform you want to build for, such as web, mobile, or desktop, include that too, so the output is more relevant. Next, ask ChatGPT to break the app into features. This is a helpful planning step because it turns a big idea into smaller, manageable parts. Instead of trying to build everything at once, you'll get a clear picture of the core functionality, optional additions, and what should be built first. This makes the whole process feel much less overwhelming. Once you have the feature list, ask ChatGPT to create the code for the first version. At this stage, focus on a basic version that works rather than something perfect. A simple starting point is easier to test, easier to understand, and much easier to improve later. After that, copy the code into your code editor. As you paste it in, take a moment to make sure everything is organized correctly and that no part of the code was missed. Even small formatting issues can cause problems, so it's worth being careful here. Now run the app and check for errors. This is where the real feedback begins. Some issues may be small, like missing dependencies or syntax problems, while others may affect how the app behaves. Don't worry if it doesn't work perfectly on the first try. That's a normal part of development. If you see any error messages, paste them back into ChatGPT. This gives the model the exact information it needs to diagnose the problem and suggest a fix. The more accurate the error details, the better the response will usually be. Then ask ChatGPT to fix and improve the code. You can also mention anything that feels confusing, incomplete, or broken, so the next version is more polished and more useful. Keep testing and refining the app. This back and forth process is where your project really improves. Run it, review it, adjust it, and repeat until everything works properly. Once the app is stable and doing what you want, package or publish it so it's ready to use or share.